Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we are going to be making a baby cow, so let's get started. The first thing that you'll want to do in the middle of your paper is you'll want to make an oval shape. On top of this oval shape, we are going to make a letter C, like this. Now we're going to make some ears at the top of our cow's head. And we're also going to make some horns. So curved line, and then coming down, curved line, and then coming down straight. The next thing that we're going to do is make some really large ovals. And inside those ovals, we're going to make some smaller circles. And we're going to fill in the bottom part of those ovals. And I'm noticing something right now. I'm noticing that this eye is a lot bigger than this one, so I'm just going to make that one a little bit bigger. It's easy to do. It's easy to fix. The next step is I'm going to come down to my cow's nose and I'm going to make some really large nostrils. And I'm going to also make a smile. For my cow's body, I'm going to come out and come down. So this is almost like a curved line, like a J almost. And then for his front legs, you come down, you come over, you go up, you go over, you come down, and then you close up. Let me go over that again because that was a lot. So you start at the middle of your cow's face, you come down with a straight line, then you go over, then you come back up with another straight line, then you go over with a really long line, then you come down with a little line, and then you go over. I know it's a lot. If you have to rewatch this video over and over to get it, go ahead and do that. Behind this leg, we're going to make a little box, and that's going to be the leg from the other side of our cow, and then we're going to do the same thing on this side. Let's make a hoof, and a hoof, and then a tail. Let's double up that tail, and that's just a curved line. And then at the top, we'll make a teardrop shape. Now, if you'd like your cow to have some spots, you can go ahead and make some spots on your cow. It's always fun to make spots. They're just organic shapes, meaning that you just kind of figure out what looks the best, and then you just make a shape. Doesn't have to be circles or squares or anything like that. Even if you want to put something here at the top of his head, that's sometimes a nice idea. You know what I forgot on our cow? I forgot some eyelashes. So let's come out with just 2 eyelashes, just like that. Now, I think I'm going to have my cow on a farm, so I'm going to make a line, and then I jump over my cow, and then I make another line, and then I'm going to have a little fence. So I'm going to have a line here, and a line here, and then I'm going to make another line on top of that, and then I'm going to come down with some straight lines. And that'll just make a little fence to keep him safe. Just like this. See how I'm doubling up these lines right here? There we go. Now down here, I think I'll put a little bit of grass for our cow to eat if he gets hungry. And then up here, I think I'm going to put some clouds in the sky. Maybe just 1 or 2, maybe 3. When I'm doing art, I kind of look at my project and then I decide at that moment what I'm going to do. And I think I'm really happy with this. I think I just need 1 more bit of grass right here. Alrighty friends, I hope that you enjoyed this project. I'll see you next time. Bye.